Hello, this video will cover how to record unearned revenue in Chapter 9. Unearned revenue is considered a liability and it's current because it's less than a year, or we're expecting to make good on it within a year or operating cycle, whichever is longer. So for this one, it has us to record. The Ticket Sales Inc. received $7,720,000 cash in advance. Ticket sales for a 4-date tour of Bon Jovi. Record the advance ticket sales on October 31st. Record the revenue earned for the first concert date of November 5th. Assuming it replenishes 1/4 of the advance ticket sales, Ticket Sale Inc. initially records prepaids and unearned in balance sheet accounts. So this is a refresher from Chapter 3 when we were doing the adjusting journal entries, specifically the unearned revenue, which are also deferred revenue. So the first one asks us to record the cash receipt in advance. So on the date that we receive all of the ticket sales in advance, we're going to go ahead and debit cash for the $7,720,000. $7,720,000, and the credit will be for the exact same amount. And we will credit the unearned ticket revenue account. That's our liability. We'll record it. Then a few days later, they have their first concert, and it tells us in the instructions that it's the first concert of the 4 series, so 1/4 of the advance ticket sale, we can assume that. So what we'll do is get our calculator, because I can't do that in my head, $7,720,000. I'm not going to worry about the 3 extra zeros. So if I multiply it by 1/4, it's the same as dividing it by 4. And we get $1,930,000. As an alternative, you can also take $7,720,000, and since you know 1/4 is also the same as 25%, you can just multiply it by 0.25, and you still should get the same results, $1,930,000. So I'm going to use that as the amount of revenue that should be recognized because we've earned it. We provided the concert, and 1,930,123, and we will debit the unearned. We'll debit the liability account, unearned ticket revenue, and we will credit the revenue account. So the earned ticket revenue will be credited, and let me put it on the right row, and that completes our entry. Any questions, post in Google Hangout, and of course you got to push record, check your work, and you are done. Any questions, post in Google Hangout. And remember, today is a great day to learn accounting.